Hey, do you need some help over there? Yes, I do. What would you like me to do? Can I tie you to the back of me? Yes, please. Okay. I'm just going to take it over to the land and save it. Thank you. Now I can go help the police car and the other car. Hey, what are you doing on the ground? Now I'm going to make sure that the fire engine doesn't fall off again. Oh, the car is going to fall off. Now I can get a better place, and the airplane's going to... and it's landing at the Collin Airport. Now...